Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. We have the short natural haircut for matured women. It's a style that is easy to maintain and it's a style that is versatile. So I want you guys to please check out this flattering ways on how you can style your natural haircut, because it really creates shape with a short haircut for women. And you can see how the haircut is a style that is suitable for all face shape and age. So you can see that short hairstyles for women are a good choice, like when you're looking for something low maintenance. You really don't have to worry about searching for lost hair ties anymore. What's more, the short cut is sassy and shows that short hairstyles always come first at any age. So this is a style that every woman needs to try, because they not only give you that youthful and younger appearance, but they will also save hours of styling time. And you know, we women want a style that is wash and go, a style that won't take much time in front of the mirror. So in your senior years, embrace this beauty of this beautiful style and come out looking so gorgeous, because it will even add more drama. And be sure to tease those cute feathered layers. This is another beautiful style that is perfect for women over 50, because you can see how the haircut brings you that ease of management while it's still leveraging the main benefits of the hair structure. So you can see how it contributes to that modern and youthful look. So let me just let you guys please watch this video to the end. You're not gonna regret watching this video, and let me know how you feel about the styles. God bless you guys.